How to keep iPad screen from rotating. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to prevent unwanted iPad screen rotation? Then you're in the right place. You just have to swipe down from the top right corner of the iPad screen and you'll find the lock rotation icon right here. So if you tap on it and if it turns red, then that means the screen rotation is locked in the current orientation. So make sure that you have set your screen on portrait orientation and then lock it. And that's it. Now, if you want landscape mode, then what you can do is just rotate the screen in landscape mode and then lock the orientation again. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.